Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, November we came in with above average rainfall, but it's been dry for the past couple weeks, and we're down to a quarter-inch deficit now for December and 8.6 inches for the year. As a result, we still have a drought. The peach color here, and hasn't changed since last week, hardly at all. Still the inland areas have that moderate drought with abnormally dry conditions right along the coastline. And there isn't much rain in the forecast at all right into next Tuesday. Now next Tuesday we might get a little bit, but you can see this output really isn't showing much, only a few hundredths to a tenth of an inch of rain with that stronger front next Tuesday. So we've got a dry pattern, and just a reminder, we still have burn bans in many of our counties. The only counties not under burn bans right now are San Patricio, B, Aransas, and McMullen counties in the coastal bend. Well, we did have moisture in the form of fog this morning, a cloud close to the ground, and you could see just how dense it was. This is our live look from Beeville, and you can see as I put this time lapse into motion, the skies cleared out, and it turned out to be a warm and partly cloudy day inland as temperatures have heated up. At the coastline, Rockport right now is 77, a live look showing those high thin clouds, a 9-mile-an-hour southeast wind. Dew points are high, they're in the 60s right now, that moisture coming in, and it's 80 degrees right now at Kingsville as we have that bright blue sky. So for tonight, we aren't going to cool down as much. With that southeast wind, we only drop into the 60s at the coast, mid to upper 50s inland, a low of 61 Corpus Christi tonight, and we are going to have that fog developing again. So watch for that, because areas of dense fog will be with us through about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. By 9 o'clock, we'll see that lifting. Despite a cold front coming through, that drier air doesn't get here in time to help us out with the fog. So keep in mind as you're driving in dense fog to slow down, allow yourself extra time, keep a lot of distance between you and the car in front of you, and do not use your high beams. Use the low beams or your fog lights, and if you can't see, just kind of follow the lines on the road with your eyes to help guide you where you're going. So tomorrow, once that fog lifts, it's warm again. We're back up, and not as warm as today, but still for this time of year it's warm. We're going to reach into the upper 70s tomorrow to near 80, and the skies clear out. So the clouds in the morning will gradually clear. It's sunnier in the afternoon. Look at that north breeze picks up. It'll be a little breezy and will dry out quite a bit. Highs tomorrow, though, we're still in the 70s to near 80 degrees, but these will be coming down a little bit more this weekend for Saturday. Saturday is the cooler day of the weekend. It's another dry weekend to get outdoors, and if you like warm weather, Sunday's your day to get outside. Harbor Lights Festival looks wonderful. We couldn't ask for nicer weather. It's going to be very mild in the afternoon. Tree lighting time 63, and for the boat parade, we're looking at temperatures dropping, and by 8 o'clock we'll be down to 58, but it is going to be dry. So we have several of these waves coming in the upper atmosphere. The first weaker one is cooling us down for Saturday, but a stronger one brings in those northwest winds by next Tuesday. That's our stronger cold front. Still doesn't have much rain with it, but next week we'll notice cooler weather, especially from Tuesday on, as another reinforcing wave comes in by the end of the week. And with that, we're looking at a better chance of below average temperatures for next week as we get into December 13th through the 19th. Here's your 7-day forecast then. This is brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So as far as rain, can't find much. The only chance we have is next Tuesday. It's a slight chance of a few showers. But as we look at the temperatures, there's lots of ups and downs. We warm up again Sunday and Monday, and then next week's a little cooler in the 60s and low 70s.